guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's DIY is going to be a very cute Easter basket. You are going to love it. So all you need really is an Easter basket. I happen to have this one on handle, because I'm looking at the handle. Anyway, on hand, and I'm going to use it also because I like the color of it, but you could use any color you want. And then you're going to need some decorative nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. I have several strands on hand. Wanted to make sure I had enough. And then I'm going to cover my handle with some burlap ribbon that I already have, but you could cover it with anything that you like. And then you need from the Dollar Tree a little bunny or lamb or something to peek over the edge of your basket. So I'm going to use this little lamb because he's so cute. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have the basket that you want and some hot glue. You're going to be using hot glue. And you're going to start at the bottom of your basket. I suggest starting wherever the back would be, but on this one, it doesn't seem to really matter. I have some extra rope that I used from a previous DIY when I made a cute, adorable honey beehive. And if I need that, I'm going to use it. And then I have some that I purchased. This is 13 feet. Probably going to take a couple of strands. So let's get started. I love this nautical rope at the Dollar Tree. There's so much that you can do with it. So take your rope and you're going to glue it to your basket. And that's basically all you're going to do is glue your rope to your basket. So be careful with the hot glue, of course. And particularly on this round at the bottom, you're going to really need to glue it down. As you go, then you can glue to the rope and hold it in place. So just cover the basket. You're just going to cover the basket with glue on this first round and glue your rope to it. Hold it in place till the glue sets and then continue around the whole thing. Okay, when you get to where you started, don't cut your rope, just pull it up and then start a new row around this way. Now you're just going to continue gluing around the basket until you've covered the whole bottom of your basket. Now I'm not using this rope on my handle, but you could definitely do that as well if you wanted to. So just continue all the way around until the entire basket here is covered with the rope. Most baskets of any size are going to require more than one nautical rope of 13 feet that the Dollar Tree sells. So when you end your rope here, just start your next one right up against it, and you really won't hardly see the seam at all. So just take the rope that you're starting with, make sure that it is right up against your old rope, and the seam won't even really show. Okay, after you've gotten all the way around your entire basket, which this particular basket took 2 full 13-foot nautical rope strands, and I had a little extra that I wanted to go around the entire top. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I do recommend that when you end where your handle is, so that it's not as noticeable that your rope strand ended. And then you can kind of tuck it in a little bit so you can see it's really not as noticeable. Now I have completed my entire basket. It's so cute. I just love it. And it's really, really cute. Now I'm going to cover the handle. And you can't really see it because of the angle of the camera, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to take, if you find any spots like this, just put a little more glue in there and push it down so that it adheres really well. Just saying, go around and look at your basket to make sure. Now I'm going to take some of this burlap ribbon that I already have, and I'm going to wrap it around my handle all the way so that I have a similar look is what I'm going for. Whatever size handle you have, if you want to do the same thing, just cut a little bit of your burlap ribbon and then add a little extra just in case so you don't cut it short. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in and glue the underside here first, and then you can come around and wrap the rest around it and glue it down. And it just makes a nice little handle. So I'm going to do that. It's kind of hard to show it on camera just because of the angle that I have to have the basket at for the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you. I'm going to glue here and get the first part of my ribbon attached to my handle. And remember, you know, hot glue is hot and it can burn you. So just be aware of that so you don't, you know, just be aware. I'm not talking to anybody that doesn't know how to work with hot glue, but I just don't want anyone to burn their hands. Okay, so I'm going to do that here. Once I get this glued all the way around, then I'm going to come around, wrap it, and then glue it down so that I have a finished look. Okay, so once you get this entire thing glued down, you want to make sure you're trimmed right at the basket with your ribbon, your burlap ribbon. Now you can take it and wrap it around tightly all the way around and glue it to make your handle more finished. That's what I'm going to do next. Okay, now that you've finished your basket, you can decorate it however you want. But one key element is having a bunny or a lamb peeking over the side of the basket. That is what makes it so adorable. So you can see this little lamb here is going to be peeking over the side of my basket. And I'm going to glue the lamb's paws down and the little head a little, well, maybe not, just like that. And it's so cute. And then he's still in the basket. You can fill the basket with whatever you like Easter grass or decoration. You can build an arrangement around it. So let me show you the basic. So I want this little lamb here glued to my basket because I want a certain look here. So I'm going to glue him down and hold it. And then I want to make sure that his little paws are glued down. So I'm going to come down here and put a little more glue. Now this little lamb is from the Dollar Tree. He's really adorable. They have bunnies, they have lambs, I don't know what all they have, but they have a lot of different little stuffed animals that you could actually use, you know, even like puppies or whatever, little bears, if you wanted to. But the whole idea is to have this cute little lamb peeking out from the basket. Now, I'm going to take some leaves and add to my handle here so that there is some more greenery to my basket. But this is the basic right here of what I was getting at. And I'll show you the finished when I get done. Okay, here's my little basket. I'm going to decorate it and fill it later, but I just wanted you to show you how he turned out. This little lamb is just the most adorable, peeking out of the basket. You can just make this any way that you want it to be and just decorate it however you like. You put a big bow up here at the top, but I just added a few little flowers and then I'm going to fill it later. But just get to decorating and enjoy working with the Dollar Tree nautical rope. It's so much fun. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft. You'll give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And have a great week.